Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jagger YouTube channel. Today let's talk about how we can get a plan, actually how we can get some effective strategies for increasing brand awareness. So here I'm on Jeda AI platform. Okay, you can go to go.jeda AI, then you will be able to make a new workspace. And then here you will get AI menu option here. Just click on it. And then you can see AI recipe maker, strategy and planning and product marketing sales. Those are the things that you can use. Here you got the AI recipe on marketing section. And here you can click on this increase brand awareness. So this is what I'm going to discuss today, and increase brand awareness. Just click on it, and here you have to type what you need, actually what is the service that you need. Okay, I'm going to type cloud security here. Okay, cloud security, and for whom, so what is the target audience, I think. Okay, so for that I'm going to type businesses. Okay, I'm going to type a general answer, businesses, that's all. And goal of purpose, I'm going to make it blank. Okay, and here what are the key areas to focus on? Nothing. Okay, and more context, nothing, for because I just didn't type anything because it is not required. Okay, now I have to select on this multimodal concept. Okay, I have to select one model. So already selected something here, cloud tree sonnet. So I really like to use sonnet here. You can see a brain before that. By the way, I just really like to use sonnet or GPT-4, but here I'm going to use the sonnet. And now I'm going to click on this generate button. Now just wait until Jeda AI generates something. Okay, then we can see what are the benefits that we can get. Actually, these are the ideas. So you can get so many strategies. Okay, maybe you can think about that. But this is a time saving thing. Okay, so you can save your time. Maybe if you need more than 1 hour or 2 hours to think about those things, so you can get so many ideas here by using a different level structure. Okay, here you got the thing content marketing. So you can do content marketing, and so you have to have a social media presence and event participation, strategic partnerships and custom advocate. Okay, so I'm going to explain this thing. Here you got one option, create informative blog post, white papers and case studies on cloud security best practices. So you can do that. Okay, and develop educational videos, webinars and podcast on cloud security trends and solutions. So what you can do to increase your brand awareness. Okay, so if you are a cloud security company, so then you can get some customers from businesses by using these techniques. Okay, and here contribute expert articles and thought leadership pieces to industry publications and websites. And here you got another thing, social media presence, maintain active social media accounts and share relevant contents, industry news and updates. Maybe you know everything here, but the thing is, actually if you have missed something, then you can get that idea by using a structure like this. Okay, and now I'm going to click on this AI menu again, and here you can try it with another model. So I'm going to use GPT-4 and then click on generate button. Now we can see other things until it generates something that. Okay, a strategic partnership, so you can have partnerships with cloud service providers, security vendors, like that. And also custom advocate, what leverage satisfied customers as brand advocate to build trust and credibility. So you can encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your website and social media. Yeah, that's a better thing, because most of the people like to actually like to see the positive answers of the customers, especially positive feedbacks of the customers. So then the trust is built on that. And also you can actually feature customer success stories and case studies highlighting the value of your cloud security solutions. Yeah, that's a good solution. And implement this customer referral program to incentivize existing customers to promote your brand. Yeah, that's a good point, because referral program means, so just think you don't know what is referral program. So wait, I will come to this one. Just think you don't know what is referral program thing or how you can manage it. So you can double click on this and then type slash. Here you can click on this analysis option or text option. I'm going to click on this analysis option first, then it will make something like this one. Okay, so structure is different, because it won't generate only text, it will generate something with some cards. Okay, like this. Wait, actually I forgot to say that what we did was, okay, we just double click on this and then we just type slash, then it showed some options that we can use. So when we selected analysis, so it will use GPT-4. Okay, GPT-4 turbo, because we already have selected the GPT-4 here. Now you can see implement a customer referral program. So it has a breakdown. So understanding basics, designing a program, promoting a program, tracking and analyzing performance, maintaining engagement. So now you can get a clear idea about how you can manage a referral program. Okay, and what are the benefits that you can get. If you need more answers, just think that you need to change this, just double click on this, then you can type define how we can implement a customer referral program to in blah blah blah. Okay. I just said a single word, by the way. Now just type after editing this text, you can type slash here, okay, after the text, and then you can click on this text option here and then wait. Okay, cool. Now I got something. Here you can see how I can manage a referral program. Implement a customer referral program is a powerful strategy to leverage your existing customers base for brand promotion. It's not only helps in acquiring new customers but also strengthens your relationship with existing ones. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating an effective customer referral programs. Define your goals, understand your audience, choose the right incentives, and create a simple process. And those are the things that you can follow. By the way, this is great because you got the dashboard, you got a workspace here, and you can remove anything and you can add anything. You can add actually if you need to edit something like this by using you can select the pen and then you can highlight this like this. Okay, by the way, this is the one we got again, okay, by using the same recipe but using the GPT-4 model. Here you can see there are some things are different. Okay, SEO optimization, strategic partnerships, social media engagement, so mostly same but the suggestions are different, I think. Okay, here you can see host Q&A sessions on Twitter to address cloud security concerns, so I think it was not on the previous one. Yeah, it was not on the previous one. So you can see there are so many suggestions that you can get by using the only one platform. Guys, this is the thing that I needed to show you how you can increase your brand awareness by using Jeda AI. So you can get some you can use the recipe to generate some ideas, especially if you don't have anything. Okay, I think it will be better for future use. Okay guys, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please like, comment, share, don't forget. Okay, bye.